Yo, what is going on, guys? So I have been searching all morning for some Rocket League codes that you can use right now in 2026. I tried all of the codes available on Google. Most of them are either expired or they don't give you much. But I've actually managed to find some Rocket League codes that you can use right now in 2026 to get tons of free credits and free cars. And you can even get exotic items as well. So before I show you these codes for Rocket League, make sure you do drop a like on this video and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, this method of getting these awesome codes takes just a few minutes, but it is well worth it when you see what these codes can give you. So as you can see here, guys, you've got to use your mobile internet browser. I'm using an iPhone here, but just open up your mobile internet and go to www.coldcoupons.com. So type it like this, cold coupons, and what it's going to do is it's going to bring you to this game code website. Now they have hundreds and hundreds of codes, so what you're going to want to do, guys, is just use the search bar at the top and type in Rocket League, and this is going to pop up here, guys. This is the Rocket League codes page. So go ahead and scroll down. You can get some free cars. You can get all exotic items unlocked. You can get all cars unlocked. You can get 25,000 free credits. And yeah. So just select the code you want. I'm going to select the credits code for this example. I have already done this. So what it's going to do, it's going to find a valid Rocket League code for you to use. And you can see these are limited, but they do replenish quite often. But because they are limited, it does mean you need to unlock your personal code for Rocket League. So to go ahead and get your code, you need to click on this button and just follow the instructions you see on this screen here. It is really easy, so don't panic, just follow the steps. Complete 2 of the free offers below to get your code from Cold Coupons, and make sure you follow the instructions for each. So depending on your country, you may see slightly different tasks to what I have, but they're all going to be completely free, and they're really easy things. They're like installing mobile apps, playing games, answering surveys and stuff. Just make sure you do read the text and follow the instructions for each of the 2 tasks you choose. It's going to take you about 5 minutes, but once you complete 2 of those, it's going to send you back to this page on Cold Coupons, and your Rocket League code will be fully revealed, and you can redeem it in game. And this one's going to give you 25,000 free credits, but you can get all cars and stuff as well, guys. So these are definitely the best Rocket League codes in 2026. Just head on over to Cold Coupons and navigate your way to the Rocket League codes page using the search bar. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, make sure you do like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.